Okay guys, how are we doing? So I thought I would do a video about the equipment for next week for the 5-day creative drawing challenge. I thought it'd be easier this way. I will put a list on my social medias and things, but it's good to explain. Okay, so day one is drawing with a twist. So day one, most people should have most of the things that we need for day one. So basically, any pencils, any pens, some paper. Paper, obviously, you need paper. Doesn't matter what. Plain paper, line paper, whatever you have at home. And a stick and some sellotape or masking tape, doesn't matter what. So that's it for day one. Pen, paper, pencil, sellotape or masking tape, stick, sorted. And that's day one. And then, oh, hang on, I lie. And a timer. So either a timer on a phone, a stopwatch, anything that you can do some timing with. Only up for a minute, minute and a half, maybe even an egg timer. Something like that. Okay, so that's day one, sorted.